Tax. Public services and facilities such as the police, firefighters, roads, schools, and parks are essential to our safety and comfort. Such services require funds, so we have to pool our money to make comfortable cities and societies. That is why the tax system exists. Tax in Japan can be divided into two types: national tax and local tax. There are many types of national taxes, but this video will introduce income tax and consumption tax. Income tax is a tax imposed on an individual's income. If you are a company employee, income tax is automatically drawn from your monthly salary. This system is known as Gensen Choshu, or tax deduction at source. If you are self-employed, you must file a tax return and then pay income tax. Consumption tax is charged at a rate of 5% on goods and services that we buy. Prices on goods and shops are inclusive of this consumption tax. The other type of tax is local tax, which is paid to the prefecture or city. Local taxes include resident tax, light vehicle tax, and vehicle tax. Resident tax is paid to the city or prefecture in which you live. This tax is another kind of tax on your income from the previous year, but is distinct from income tax. So, even if you have no job next year, you will still have to pay resident tax. This tax is payable to whichever town or city you are living in on the 1st of January. So even if you move away from Hamamatsu during the year, you must still pay resident tax to Hamamatsu City. It is possible to have resident tax deducted from your wages automatically, or it can be paid via a tax payment notice, which you will receive in the post. This tax can also be paid using a bank transfer, thus saving you from going to the bank. If you have a light vehicle, motorcycle, or scooter, you will have to pay light vehicle tax. This tax should be paid by June 5th. If you own a car, you will have to pay vehicle tax by May 31st. In either case, a tax payment notice will be sent to you, so be sure to pay. In addition, if you give your vehicle or motorcycle to someone, don't forget to transfer the rights of ownership. If you don't, you will continue to be taxed for the vehicle. There are so many different taxes and ways of paying them that it can be difficult to take it all in. But the tax system is very important, and taxes are used for the benefit of residents. So be sure to pay your taxes. Moreover, a tax certificate is required when renewing your visa. It is not possible to renew your visa unless you have paid your taxes, so be careful. If you have any inquiries about tax, ask at the tax division of your local ward office.